Hey, this is Randy Holden, and I'm with Mopar Collector's Guide magazine. And there's a zillion videos on YouTube about the complexity of figuring out a misfire with your engine, any kind of muscle car engine. And most of them are way overly complicated. If you don't have one of these, go buy one. Everybody should have it. It's a little heat gun. They're 20-25 bucks. Amazon, any auto parts store. Don't go hook up vacuum lines. Don't go hook up a compression checker. Don't do any of that foolishness that everybody's telling you to do to immediately diagnose an engine miss. This is my Corvette, 59,000 mile Bloomington Gold car. Anyway, get this thing. Right down there, you got your exhaust manifold. You shoot this little dot right there. And you're going to get the temp reading. I guess it's 355 at that cylinder. 364, 371 at that cylinder. 374, 430. Calming down about 421, 440 at that cylinder. In reality, most of them are in the low fours. Yeah, there you go. When you go back here to number 8, you hit that. We're at 210 degrees, 194, 193. I've done the other side already. All the readings are consistent. Number 8 is not firing. You've just diagnosed your entire misfire in 5 minutes without having to do anything. How easy is that? Do that before you do anything else. In this case, it's a simple thing. 8 is not firing properly. Lights. If that is the case, lights back on. Sorry, that was too dark. Turn your lights off. You have to do this at night. Follow your plug wires. If you have an HEI, regular distributor, it doesn't matter, same thing. Follow your plug wires down. You have to do this at night. It won't work during the day or in a dark shop. If the plug wire is bad to that cylinder, it's going to be throwing a little blue spark somewhere, arcing between the plug wire and whatever piece of metal is closest to it. You can't see it during the daylight. You can only see it at night or in the dark. In this case, there is a little blue arc at the very back of this where the plug wire has burned through from contacting the exhaust manifold. Not showing up on my camera. But there, boom, one step, you've diagnosed it. Number 8 is misfiring because of a bad spark plug wire. Do that before you do anything else. And if that's the case, if you can't figure it out with that, then you'll pull the plugs, check that. If you can't figure that out, then you go with the compression checks, the everything else, the vacuum checks, everything else. But you've automatically ruled out any kind of a fuel problem, any kind of a vacuum leak problem, any kind of everything else, simply by taking heat readings. If you have headers on your car, it works even easier. And this works for every car out there, not just a Corvette or a Mopar 440 or a 351 Cleveland. Anything you have, you can fix it, you can check it that quick. Okay, late night vid. Bye-bye.